Hello children, welcome back to computer class. Today we are starting the fifth chapter of computer syllabus, that is more editing features of MS Word. Okay, topics that we are going to see in today's class are: first is spelling and grammar, and second is using autocorrect. Okay, so first topic is spelling and grammar. There is a spelling checker in Word which finds misspelled words and duplicated words. Okay, now misspelled words are as in spelling mistakes, and duplicated words as in the words which are repeated, such as and, as. Okay, the spelling checker finds misspelled words and duplicated words. The spelling checker compares your words with the words in its dictionary. Okay? If the word matches with that word in the dictionary, then it shows no error. But if the word does not match with the word in the dictionary, then it will show error. Okay? Now, the grammar checker searches a document for errors in grammar, punctuation, and words usage. All the grammar related queries, errors, all that is checked under the grammar checker. Okay, the grammar checker searches for a document for errors in grammar, punctuation, and word usage. Fine. Now let us see practically how do we use the spelling and grammar in MS Word. Suppose this is the text that you have written in MS Word. Okay, you have written a computer is a programmable machine that receives input, stores and manipulates data, and provides desired results. Fine. We know that the machine spelling is wrong here. Okay, and that's why a red line is displayed under this word. Fine, but we want to correct the spelling using the spelling check and grammar check. Okay, first we will see about how to use the spell check, then we will go to grammar part. Fine, your first thing is select the part of the document for which you want to run the spell check. Then after selecting, go to review tab. By default you are in home tab, but you should go to review tab. Okay, after going to review tab, here one section you will find, that is proofing section. Okay, under this proofing section, one option you will see, that is spelling and grammar. Fine, click on spelling and grammar, and your word which is misspelled, that word will be selected. Okay, whichever word is having spelling mistake, that particular word will be selected, and beside this document here suggestions you will see. Fine, now these are the words that are already stored in the dictionary of MS Word. Okay, now from these suggestions you have to select the correct word. Fine, but if your word is already correct and you don't want to you want that the word should be right in the document, there should not be any red line, then you can choose this ignore once option. Fine, now from this suggestions we know that the correct word is machine. Click on that, and after this a dialog box pops up. We are finished checking your selection. Want to check the rest of the document, click on yes. Okay, and then if there is not any error, one more dialog box appears saying spelling and grammar check is complete. So click on OK. So in this way you can run the spell and grammar check in your document. Okay, fine. First you have to select the part of the document for which you want to run the spell check. Then you have to go to review tab. Under this review tab, this is the proofing section. In this proofing section, one option you will find of spelling and grammar. Okay, click on that, and whichever word is having the spelling mistake, that word will be selected. Okay, and a red line will be displayed under that. Fine. Now beside this document, one list will occur. From that list you have to select the correct word. If your word is already been correct, then you can choose the ignore once option from the bottom part. Fine. So depending on your requirements, you can do the changes. Okay. Now the next part that we are going to see is using autocorrect. Okay, the autocorrect feature automatically detects and corrects some errors, misspelled words, and incorrect capitalizations. Okay, we don't have to move again and again to spelling and grammar check. The autocorrect feature, if any word it finds wrong, then it automatically corrects that word which is having the error, and also misspelled words and incorrect capitalizations. Now we are going to see how to use this autocorrect feature in MS Word. Now for using the autocorrect feature, move inside File tab. Inside this File tab, choose the Options button which is located at the bottom. Okay, click on Options button and this Word Options dialog box appears on screen, and from this left list, from the list that is present on the left column, select Proofing. After you select Proofing, click on Autocorrect Options. Fine. From this first section, click on Autocorrect Options, and here you have to write the replace text box. Inside this replace text box, you have to write the word which you want to replace with the other text. Fine. So for example, I want to replace LT with living things. Living things. Okay. I want to replace the LT with living things. Fine. So after typing this in the replace section, click on OK option and then click on cross. So wherever the LT will be found, that term will be changed to living things. Fine. Understood? Now we are going to see the next part. Okay, till now we are done with the two parts of this chapter, spelling and grammar check and autocorrect feature. The next part is thesaurus. Now the next part is using the thesaurus. Okay, it suggests other words with the similar meaning to the word you have selected. When you want a certain synonym of a word, okay, when you want to replace a word with the similar word with the other word, that time you can use thesaurus to find the similar meaning to the word you have selected. Okay. Fine. Now let us see how to use the thesaurus in MS Word. It is nothing but it suggests other words with the similar meaning. It suggests synonyms to the word you have selected. And you can also replace the particular word with the suggested words. Okay? Depending on your requirements. So now we will see the practical approach to use the thesaurus. Suppose this is the document that I have created, for example, fine, and I want to find the similar word for the word that is privileged. Okay, for this word I have to find the similar word. I want to find the synonym. Okay, when you want to replace a certain word with the similar word, okay, that time you can use the thesaurus. Fine. Now first step is you have to select the word. After selecting the word, go to review tab. Okay, when you open the document, you are in home tab, fine. But after selecting the word, you have to move inside the review tab, click on the review tab, and inside this proofing section you will find one option of thesaurus. Okay, click on that thesaurus and you can see at the right side one column has been displayed. Okay, privileged is the word. We want the similar word for privileged, fine. Now here you can see with this list has been displayed. Okay, certain words are displayed. First is advantaged, second is lucky, third is fortunate, fourth is honored. These are the similar words. Fine. Now from these words you can select any word which you want to replace with. Fine. Now when you are done with the selection of the word, then just move your mouse pointer. Suppose I want to replace privileged with fortunate. Okay, I will move my mouse pointer on that word, and then you can see a drop down arrow is displayed. Okay, next to fortunate. Fine. Just you have to move the mouse pointer on that word. After doing that, click on this drop down arrow, and then you can choose. You can click on insert. Fine. After clicking on insert, you can see here that privileged has changed to fortunate. Okay, fine. So in this way you can use the thesaurus for certain document. Okay, this process is you have to first open the document, and then you have to select the word for which you want to use the thesaurus. After selecting the word, just move inside the review tab, and inside this review tab select thesaurus option from the proofing section. Okay, after selecting the thesaurus option, you can see that a column has been displayed on the right side of screen, and it is containing the list of words which is similar to the word privileged. Okay, which is similar to the word that you have selected, and from that list you can choose any of the word, and you just have to move your mouse pointer on that word. After doing that, you can see a drop down arrow against that word, and when you click on that drop down arrow, from the two options you have to select the insert, and after doing that you can see that your selected word has been replaced by the new word. Okay, in this way you can use the thesaurus for your MS Word document. Fine. Now the next term that we are going to study is find and replace. Okay, sometimes in a document we need to search some word, or we need to replace any word with a particular word. That time we can use the find and replace feature of MS Word for this purpose. Okay, the find command of MS Word can be used to locate the specific text in a document, and the find command can be combined with the replace command to replace a text or a word in the document. Okay, find command, only find command can be used to locate the specific text or word in a document, and find command with replace command is used to replace a text or word in a document. Now we are going to see first how to locate a word in a document, and then we will see how to find and then replace the word in the document. Okay, so let us see the practical approach for this feature. Going to see the next term in the chapter, that is find and replace. Okay, first you have to bring the mouse pointer at the beginning of the document. After bringing your mouse pointer at the beginning of the document, go to Home tab. After moving to Home tab, you will find one section of editing inside the Home tab. Okay, fine. Now from this editing section, you have to select Find option. Okay, click on Find option, and a navigation bar, the navigation column appears uh, on the left side of the screen. Here you have to type the word which you want to search. Fine. Suppose I want to find human. Okay. As soon as you finish your typing your text in on this navigation column, you will see that in the document wherever human word is there itself that word is highlighted. Fine. Means what? That word is highlighted. Okay, so we can easily find the word inside the document using find and replace feature. This was now about find option. Now we will see about find and replace feature. Okay, to use the find and replace feature, first go to Home tab, and then inside the Home tab you will find one section of editing. From that editing section, you have to choose the replace option. Okay, we have seen how to use just find option. Now we will see how to use both find and replace. Okay, click on replace option, and a dialog box pops up on the screen. Fine. Now from this, inside the find word box, you have to write which word you want to find. Okay, suppose I have written here fortunate. For example, I want to find the word fortunate, and inside the replace with box, you have to enter the word with which you want to replace the uh, find what word. Okay, here find what word is fortunate, and I want to replace that word with grateful. Okay, whichever word you want to find, write inside the find what box, and whichever word you want to replace it with, you write inside the replace with box. Okay, after doing this, just click on find next. Okay, click on find next, and you will see that in the document fortunate has been highlighted, it is selected. And then after doing this, click on replace option. Replace option is done. Then after doing that, you will see here that fortunate is replaced with grateful. Okay, after doing that, you can see fortunate is replaced with grateful. Click on find next again. No other word is there. Click on OK. After doing this, close this dialog box, and you are done with the find and replace feature. Okay, we can also use just find option to find the word, and we can use find and replace feature combinedly to find a word and then replace it with a certain word. Okay, this was all about find and replacing feature. Now moving on. So we are done with the today's class. Okay, in next class we will see the remaining terms remaining in this chapter. Okay, in this lesson, in this today's class, we have seen that about spelling, grammar. We have seen how to check the spelling, how to check the grammar, and then we have seen how to use the autocorrect. Okay, then we have seen how to use the thesaurus. Fine. Then at last we have seen find and replace. Okay. This was all about today's class. We will see the remaining terms in this chapter in next class. On attaching one worksheet with this video, you need to solve the worksheet and send it on my email. Thank you.